Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mike with Infinity Personal Training, and today I'm going to be talking rollers with you. We're talking foam rollers, stick rollers, and lacrosse ball rollers. And so first I just want to kind of go over why we do these at the beginning of every workout, and then secondly I'll kind of go into a brief description of each one and their kind of primary use. Okay, so the reason we do rolling at the beginning of every workout for multiple reasons. One, it improves the symmetry and the balance of your body. And so if you're kind of weaker on one side, stronger on one side, usually that imbalance is due to muscles being either tight or overactive or loose and underactive. And so by using these rollers, it helps kind of bring balance to the body, so one side won't be stronger than the other, and then you'll be able to move optimally. Second, by getting that imbalance taken care of, it's going to improve that joint range of motion, and you're going to be able to squat deeper, go deeper into that chest press. You're going to be able to move more freely. Everything's not going to be all locked up and tight. And then that's also going to lead to just moving around better, lifting more weight. You're going to be able to be stronger and just feeling better overall and not having to compensate anywhere in your lifts. Then another reason that we do this at the beginning of all the workouts is I know when people come in, they're either sore from a workout that they did a couple days before, or they're like they slept wrong or something's just sore in the body, they're just not feeling right. By doing this, rolling is a great way to promote recovery in the body. It's giving those muscles oxygenated blood and just going to help you feel that much better going into the workout. And so all three of these things kind of lead to the last and final reason that we do this, which is this provides the optimal length tension relationship with the muscle. So if you think of your muscle kind of as a slinky, sometimes those overactive muscles, they get real crunched up, and that's where you get those knots in those muscles. And so when the muscle's all knotted up like that, it's not going to work at its best. And so by using those rollers, we're able to roll that out and get that muscle feeling good. Also, if it's underactive, it's going to be a little bit elongated or stretched out, and these rollers help bring that back in to that optimal length tension relationship. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start with the main man, the most famous roller of all, and that is the foam roller. We use this guy primarily on the larger muscle groups because it's covering a large surface area, and so we just tell our clients rolling over our quads, upper back. We get into those glutes, hamstrings a lot, and just when you find kind of a spot that's tight or tender, just kind of roll back and forth over that spot to help that muscle to release with this guy. Then, secondly, we have our foam rolling stick, and this one we also use on kind of the larger muscle groups. We'll use it on our quads, hamstrings, even in those glutes. But with this one, we're able to pinpoint those spots and then really kind of self-massage into that spot and help that muscle either to release or contract, right? So we're getting a little bit more detailed, more specific spots with that roller there. That leads us to the lacrosse ball, which is another one we do a lot in our warm-ups. With the lacrosse ball, this is the most pinpoint one there is. So we use this a lot on the smaller muscle groups, such as those upper traps, get into like some lower traps. We also do this on our calves, Achilles, kind of getting down into those smaller muscle groups. Another good one is that we started doing is putting it down on that TFL and into those glutes, and that really helps us pinpoint those spots. It may not be the most comfortable thing in the world, but this is definitely saving that low back, getting all those muscles working at their best. So I just wanted to go over kind of what and why we're doing the things we do. I know it can be a little tedious at sometimes, but it is definitely helping that body out, helping that recovery, and we just want to get you in the best way to move so you can get the most out of those workouts. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see you soon.